beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this multi-purpose sauce on a budget. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so here I have my protein of choice. I'll be using chicken. This chicken has been boiled already and I'm frying it. So after frying it, I'll set that aside, and I have my rice boiling also and it is ready. Let's set this aside. Moving on to the sauce, I have my vegetable that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using pumpkin. You can use any vegetable of choice, and here I'm going to pick this vegetable till I am done with it, and after that I'll go ahead to wash it till it is very clean. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you are coming across my video for the first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share to your friends and loved ones, and let's dive right into the video. So next I'll go ahead to chop my vegetable. This vegetable is washed thoroughly and is clean, and I'll chop it into smaller size, and this is what I got. Let's set that aside. Moving on to the sauce, I'm going to be adding palm oil, and I'll heat this up a bit, and next I'll add in vegetable oil. This combination was actually good. I'll heat it up a bit and I'll add in my chopped onion. I'm gonna stir fry this onion till it is translucent. Next, I will add in my crayfish powder and stir this. Here we are building up flavor. Okay, so by now your kitchen should be scenting, actually scenting. Next, I'll add in my bell peppers and I'm gonna stir fry this. All I'm doing here is to stir fry them for a bit. Next, I'm gonna be adding in my seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning of choice. Here I'm using chicken seasoning, and I'll add in my salt. So I'm gonna stir everything together. We are building up flavor. So next I'll add in my black pepper. I'll be using black pepper. Feel free to use fresh pepper if that's what you want. And I'm adding in my fried chicken. As I said earlier, you can use any protein of choice and that will be fine. So I'm going to stir fry this for a bit. Next I'll add in my pumpkin leaf. This recipe tasted so good, to be honest, and it's a multi-purpose recipe, multi-purpose sauce. You can use the sauce for yam, you can use it for rice, and the taste is amazing. Please check for seasoning, for salt. Adjust your seasoning and your salt and it is ready. This was mouth-watering. I love you to try it and you definitely fall in love with this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. And from me is bye bye.